Hello and welcome to ALS 3040, Understanding How We Learn. I am your instructor, Dr. Sylvia Sue. The purpose of this video is to take you through a course tour of our online classroom. By the end of this video, I expect that you will be able to seamlessly navigate our course site, as it will be a great tool that you will use throughout the semester. To get us started, I would like to walk you through each of the menu items and what you will see when you log into the course. If you can view this video, it means you've made it to our Start Here area. Our Start Here area contains a video of this course store. So you will watch a video of what each of the different left menu items are. The first one is the course news area. This is where I will include any announcements that I will need to send to you guys. You will also get a copy of the announcements in your email. However, I want you to check on this tab on a regular basis. Next is the syllabus tab. I've included a Word document of the actual syllabus. Please note that once you click on this, it opens up in a new window. Go ahead and click on the new window and you will have that file pull up for you. You can also print it off and refer to it on a daily basis. I've also included a grading rubric for the online discussions. Be sure to go through and read detailedly to see how each of the discussions will be graded or the criteria for the grading. And we will have quite a good number of discussions, weekly discussions in this course, so it's important for you to actually go through and see how the grading is distributed. Next, we have our schedule menu. Our schedule, I've included a Word document of the actual schedule, as well as I've copied it into our Blackboard site. For example, in week 2, we will be covering chapter 1, and by Thursday, I expect you to have read the chapter, review all the learning materials, including any videos, and post to our online discussion board. Then by Sunday, I expect that you've completed the quiz, as well as you return to that chapter discussion and respond to at least 2 of your peers. Please refer to the schedule on a regular basis. Next, you have the About the Instructor tab. This is information about your instructor. That's me. So go ahead and read it, how you can contact me, my phone number, and other details about where my office is located. Next, we have the course content area, where we have our modules. Now, this is a really important area. I call it the meat of the course because this is where we have all the content of our course. Notice that there will be 4 modules in this course. However, if you click on each module, you will have a display of the different chapters. For example, I will display a new chapter every week. So by the time you get into the course, you will see a display of chapter 1. However, this will be actually for the week 2, but I'm going to open it up early for those who want to move ahead in the course. So once you click on the chapter, you will have a rundown of, you always see an introduction, some objectives for that chapter, the learning materials I expect you to go through and read or watch any videos. I'll reference you to any chapters I want you to read, some key concepts, and then there will be a quiz. I have added the quizzes for this course are multiple choice as well as true or false. So depending on the chapter and the content, you will have either true or false questions or multiple choice questions. Finally, you will have a summary of that particular chapter. So be sure to go through each of them, I suggest, in a chronological order. Next, you have the My Grades section. This is where you'll be able to view your grades. Next, the Communication tab. This is where you have the discussions for our course. So each week you will have a discussion board or discussion assessment to do. First, I want you to read exactly the rules of the discussions, as well as that grading rubric that I included in the syllabus menu. This is where you can ask any questions, and this is where you can, for example, this is the week 1 introductions discussion board. If you click on this discussion board, you will actually be able to create a thread to be able to respond to this question. So you will have the questions you create before you're able to view some other person's post, okay? And you can always go back to it. So make sure you go in and respond so you can see what others, and respond on time so you can see what others have posted. Next, we'll have the groups menu. You don't see anything yet, but you will be grouped into different groups. Once the class is started, I will distribute you randomly into different groups, and you will be able to access just content in your group. Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, this is, I call it the FaceTime of our course. In case we do need to meet virtually, this is where I will schedule a session, and all you need to do is to come in and join the session, and we can have a live discussion online. If you want to send me an email, you can click on this and you will be able to either send it to a specific student in your group, or to all your group members, or to me directly. Support. This is where you have all the support items. This will navigate outside of Blackboard into the UT website. So if you want to click on this, then you will go to some support information, technical support information, in case you have issues with Blackboard, or have a general issue that, you know, with accommodation or academic support services. This is the tab for you. Next, I've included a few tutorials. For example, I'd like you to add a picture to your discussion, to your profile, your Blackboard profile, just like I have. And the LEAP guides, if there's anything in the library a particular resource in the library that I'd like to communicate with you, I will add it here in the LEAP guides. So this is briefly our course store. If you have any questions, be sure to always ask me, email me. And next, I want you to go ahead and go through this and look detailedly at the syllabus document and schedule, and then you do the activities for this particular week. Okay? Have a great day. Bye-bye.